Hi, this is Dr. Bharat Jagyasi. I head the critical care unit at Reliance Hospital, Navi Mumbai. So as you all know, world is facing a difficult time. We all are going through this pandemic. So our life has also changed. So our life has also changed in a good way as well. Many of us has reinvented our hobbies. We are looking after our parents, looking after our kids. We have enough time to play with them. And also taking care of ourselves, sleeping on time, eating on time, medications on time. And as a result of this, the incidence of other illnesses have significantly come down. So I'm happy about this fact. But also as the life has changed, what has been seen is people coming out with the mask and the gloves. So mask is of utmost important, as everyone knows about it, but I'm not sure about the gloves. In fact, gloves, as per me, they are more harmful rather than doing any benefit. So before I tell you why, I need to explain you how this disease COVID-19 or coronavirus spreads through. So it spreads usually by two mechanisms. One is by the airborne, if you are in close contact with someone who's infected. And second, the most commonest route is by the fomites. Fomites is what, when I'm talking to you, I'm sneezing, I'm coughing, something is coming out of my mouth or from my nose and it settles down. So those product contains viruses, and the virus tend to stay from around 4 hours to 30 days. So it depends on what kind of surface it is on and also the environmental temperatures. So the fomite is when I touch an infected surface and my hands gets infected. So it will spread to the mucosa of eyes, nose and mouth. So when I touch an infected surface and my hand gets infected, and those infected hands, if I inadvertently touches my eyes or nose or mouth, then this is the reason why I will get infected. So it doesn't spread to the skin. So when I'm wearing a gloves, it's like a second skin. So even if I touch an infected surface with the gloves on, fomites are there on the gloves. And if I tend to touch that glove on my nose, mouth and eyes, again I am transferring the infection. So glove is not helping me any way at all. In fact, by wearing the gloves, we have a false sense of security because we feel we are wearing a glove, we are not going to get infected. And people start touching their nose, mouth, face, all around it, and you keep touching the other surfaces as well and transfer the infection totally. And again, if your gloves is infected, when you take it off, there are chances of aerosolization. The virus might get aerosolized and again you might get infected. And the worst is when people tend to reuse that glove. So that gloves has been infected in numerous number of times. It has quite a significant viral load because you've been reusing it. And if God forbid, if you tend to touch that glove, infected gloves on your nose, mouth and eyes, you will have a disease. So glove is just a second skin. And because we wear gloves, we tend to bypass the most important step of hand washing, because you feel we are with the gloves on, we don't have to wash our hands, which we would do it when we are without gloves. So I think gloves are more harmful because it's not at all going to prevent the disease, because virus doesn't spread through the skin. So what is more important is you should be with off gloves, keep on washing your hands again and again. This is what going to save you. Gloves are not going to save you. Thank you. Thank you.